It's a Cookies and Twins. My name is Betty.
My name is Alex.
And today we're going to be making slime. But first, if you want to make future videos and subscribe it, tell us in the comments down below what video you like and we'll try to do it.
And also hit the subscribe button and like it in the subscription box down below.
Like it.
Okay, let's start the video. So first we're going to add 1 cup of glue. Oh,
Yeah, 1 cup of
the whole
glue.
glue.
Not all of it.
Yes,
Maybe all of it.
Fine, you go first. I'm going first.
We're twins, sir. Seriously.
Betty, I think that slime is going to fail. I feel like it's going to explode on you.
No, it isn't.
Are you sure?
Yep. And soon I will get utensils so I can mix it. Alex, while you're waiting for me, can you please get the popsicle sticks?
No. Okay,
Jeez.
fine.
Thank you. Thank you, peasant.
Goodbye.
Now I will add 1 more glue. No, where is that? Is that even right?
I don't know.
Before I take hers. When she gets back, she'll be like, Betty. I'm like, oh, but Alex, I needed it. Oh, Alex.
Unfortunately, I cannot find the popsicle stick, so I'm just going to get a spoon.
Okay, get 2. And where's the other glue, sister?
No, right there, baby. Up, in the stir stick. The stir stick right by that, right there. No. The stir stick it's a plastic stick right there. Go straight. 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock.
Okay, Alex, may I
Thank you for
borrow
your
your glue?
assistance, present.
You're welcome. Now, Alex,
That was my mom.
borrow your glue.
Huh?
Can I please borrow your glue?
Why?
Find mine.
No.
Wow. How dare you! Give it back.
No.
And I take yours, thank you. So now, let's finish the
Betty, I want to go.
more glue.
No. Betty, I'm scared. Now that one's going to explode.
I don't see you. So you don't have to add this much glue, how much you want. It's how much you want, so I wanted this much, so I added this much.
Nibble the bubble.
Stop. So now let me have the glue. Alex, do your glue.
Betty, just wait till it. Okay.
There we go.
It's my turn.
And
Hit the notification button or else.
And I'm going to add 2 of these. This is a ½ teaspoon. I have learned that 1/2 means half. I did not know.
You're in 3rd grade. Of course you know that.
Okay, geez. Well, yes, I knew that. Talking about
Look at the bubble, Betty.
And now I've added glue and a teaspoon of baking soda, and I'm going to mix
Betty,
it.
you can go on.
Okay, go on without you.
Yeah, I'll catch up.
Soon.
Soon.
I'll just mix it in until it kind of looks like slime. And the next step.
Betty, I'm watching you. Don't
We
go on to the
shall
next
add-
step. Don't dare go on to the next step. How dare
We have 2 food coloring containers.
Are we done activator yet?
So we have, no, not yet. Green, pink, blue, and another green, and blue, and purple, and yellow. Please put what color I should have. Next video is a subscribe button, and I will try my best to do that. Yes, we have.
Okie dokie, Betty.
So these are the colors we have. And today I feel like doing, maybe, I think a light pink would go well. So I'm gonna add light pink, a couple drops, like maybe 2 or 3.
Betty, you
I'm gonna
steal
add
my
2.
idea.
There we go.
She steals ideas. No, I don't. Yes, she does.
Why are you
Okay,
whispering?
Betty, what are we supposed to do? Is it baking soda the second step?
Yes. And then mix. So you can remember.
Baking soda.
So I'm gonna mix again, mix it up till all the color turns to pink. And if it's not covering it all, feel free to add a little more food coloring.
So 2?
That's what yes, 2. Yes, you, get out of my castle of slime.
We're not in a castle. You think?
You think? You're gross.
You think you're gross.
So mine's almost turning the color I wanted, so I'm just gonna mix a little more and wait for Alex. Oh, he's gonna do a light purple.
This is not light purple, this is dark purple.
So I have came to my final color, so it's time to add the saline solution.
No, Betty, don't you dare.
There's
do it without
another
me.
one.
Don't you dare do it without me.
Fine, I'll wait for you when mixing mine. Oh, no,
Look
I
how
know it's
pretty
not-
this is, Betty.
Wow, it's beautiful.
I might want to eat this.
Don't. That's my ice cream. Just kidding. I only said that, you guys, because my ice cream is cotton candy colored. That means it's pink and blue, but when it mixes, it's purple. The purple. I will take revenge on you people.
That's dark purple. For your
You're like,
information.
that's an airplane. But, I'll just open it.
If you watch Bunk, then they did that.
Yeah, it's like, let's just fall into a star. That's
That's
an
an
airplane.
airplane.
Oh. Because they were lost.
Okay, I guess you can go on the stoop.
Don't call me stupid. What did you do?
But you are.
Alex, it's ready, okay?
No. I'm never ready.
Red.
Never.
Tell me your favorite color down in the comments. Mine's green, but I didn't.
Purple.
But I thought it would look
Oh,
like
keep
throw up.
it.
But my favorite color is green. I was about to make green, but then I thought it might look like throw up. So I decided
There's light green and dark
nice
green.
pink. It's a nice winter day, not summer. And I decided to do
This is so
pink.
chunky already.
It's not chunky.
Look,
Right.
it's so chunky.
So I'm gonna add some, mix it, and then I'm gonna add some more.
something that they forgot.
I'm gonna add some more and keep mixing until it turns into slime. While my sister goes crazy. What? She's in the closet, digging around for old bones.
Behold, the shaving cream and lotion.
You are
Which
crazy.
you forgot.
You scared me. Please take over. I will not get a paper towel because I just spilled my saline solution.
You seriously.
Yes. Don't you dare wreck it.
Let me tell you guys something. Betty is very dumb.
I'm not done. This is my 2019 video that I planned, not you.
Really?
Wow, you're so awesome.
You think I didn't know that?
Yeah, I thought you didn't know that. You're an idiot.
You're an idiot.
I want a car, even though I can't drive. I
Betty,
want a car and you
you're
can't
8.
sit in it.
You just need to get 8 more years of practice.
Did you just say 8 more years?
Yes.
None. Whee.
Oh wait, I lotion after actually.
It's my lotion. And I don't think this makes a difference, but it's gonna smell good.
Wait, don't do it yet.
I just added it.
It should be like trying to get off the walls a little bit for it to work. Sometimes these are fails. I think that's how it's gonna be.
Yeah, yesterday we tried making slime, but all my friends used up all the saline solution.
And then I had a fight with my friend with slime.
because, they started all over the table, they started fighting. And I was just like,
Not like real fighting, just like silly fighting by throwing slime on each other's arms. And then it took me like 20 minutes to get the slime off.
yeah, you guys.
And now I smell like peppermint. Because the soap smells like peppermint and now my arms smell like peppermint.
I added some more saline solution. I'm gonna keep mixing.
Mix it.
We'll be right back after this ad.
Just his face.
And I